When it comes to sourcing electric motors, why not stick with the good old brick-and-mortar local suppliers? A failed or underperforming motor can impact the entire production line. Even a small motor failure can lead to huge downtime costs, from missed deadlines, reduced production, and even spoiled product. Meet Mike. Mike's a maintenance manager at a large milk manufacturing plant. Mike relies on local suppliers to source their motor replacements. It's just the way he's always done it. A critical motor goes down, and Mike's under pressure to get the plant back up and running. Mike checks his spare inventory but doesn't have the right motor. He calls 2 of his local suppliers to find a replacement. They both need him to call back with a solution and check their inventory. Bricks and mortar motor suppliers rely on their warehouse inventory to supply replacements. Because of this, you only have access to the inventory in your local town, resulting in limited access to the motors you need. A few hours later, Mike gets a call back and neither of his suppliers has the part in stock. They can source a few alternatives, but the cost will be significantly higher. Mike needs a better solution for his motor supply chain. Mike's been meaning to try eMotorsDirect.ca. He enters the catalog number for the motor and the product appears. Right away, he sees price, lead time, and he sees that the motor is available in his province. Scrolling further, he sees 8 other motor options, all with the same specifications. These are direct replacements for Mike's motor. From these options, Mike chooses the most cost-effective motor with the shortest lead time. Mike found what he needs and goes to check out online. He signs up for the Loyalty Rewards program and his order total changes from $1,013 to $997. He's confident he found the quickest and most cost-effective solution. The next day, the motor arrives and Mike installs it. The plant is back up and running. A few days later, Mike gets a call from his eMotors Direct account manager, and they talk options to get high-priority spares in place to prevent future downtime. We've aggregated all the manufacturer inventory across Canada so that you can make more informed buying decisions. Instead of accessing just your local supplier inventory, gain access to over $75 million worth of product across Canada. The information you need to buy your motor now is just a click away. Visit eMotorsDirect.ca to shop over 50,000 motor and motor-related products. Consult with our team of motor experts on your next project or motor replacement. eMotors Direct, the electric motor supplier of Canada's food manufacturers.